Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to use WPDM Advanced Access Control add-on. If you need to control who can access specific downloads on your website, this add-on will make it super easy to grant file access to selected users only. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up and use it effectively. Step 1. Before we dive into the settings, make sure you've installed and activated the Advanced Access Control add-on. Step 2. Once the add-on is activated, you'll see a new feature in the Downloads section. Let's go ahead and create a new package, or you can choose an existing one to edit. We'll use the Add New option for this example. From Downloads, click on Add New Package and provide an appropriate title. Step 3. Now scroll down until you reach the Access Control section. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a new field here called Select Individual Members. This is where you'll choose the specific users who will have access to this download. Step 4. Type the user's name on Select Members field, and a list of usernames will appear. Simply search for the users you want to give access to and select them. You can assign access to as many users as needed. If you'd like, you can also enable an email notification that will inform these selected users when they gain access to the download. To do this, just check the Send Email Notification option right here. Step 5. Once you've assigned users, they'll be able to access the file directly from their user dashboard under the My Downloads tab. They'll see all the files that have been assigned to them. Step 6. You can also create a custom page that displays all the downloads assigned to them, making it easy for users to access their downloads in a personalized space using a simple shortcode. To do that, create a new page. Provide an appropriate title, paste the shortcode. Here's how it looks on the front end. And that's it. With the WPDM Advanced Access Control add-on, I hope this tutorial was helpful.